Hi, I'm Dane Bradshaw. Rehabilitation of the Henley Bridge continues, but construction hasn't stopped me from enjoying everything East Tennessee has to offer, and it shouldn't stop you either. Restaurants, shops, and all kinds of businesses are still open in South Knoxville, and bypassing the Henley Bridge is easy. So whether you're traveling to campus to see some Tennessee basketball or heading to the Smokies for the weekend, get out there and enjoy all of Knoxville.
Remember, Chapman Highway and downtown Knoxville businesses are open during Henley Bridge construction.